This week we explored the fastest plane ever built, the world's fastest train, deep space tech, and inside a cigarette factory. Let's break it all down. Meet the fastest plane in history. This plane could fly over 7,000 kilometers per hour, faster than anything alive. It used rocket engines to reach these insane speeds, breaking all limits. It even reached over 100,000 feet, almost to space. Pilots used it to study aerodynamics and push the boundaries of speed. Could you handle this speed? Comment yes or no. This is Japan's Maglev train, the fastest train on Earth, reaching over 600 kilometers per hour. It floats 10 centimeters above the track using powerful magnets. No wheels, no friction, just magnetic levitation. Sensors and magnetic forces keep the train perfectly aligned so it doesn't touch the rails, making the ride smooth and stable. Instead of an engine, it uses linear motors. Electromagnetic coils in the track push and pull the train forward, silently and super fast. Maglev, the future of ultra-fast travel.
Ever wondered how cigarettes are made? Let's take a peek inside a factory. First, raw tobacco leaves are dried, shredded, and blended to make the perfect flavor. Next, machines roll shredded tobacco into white cigarette paper, forming perfect cigarette rods in seconds. Filters are added and cut automatically, then attached to each cigarette. Finally, each cigarette is checked for quality and packed into cartons ready to ship worldwide. From leaf to pack, everything is fully automated. Follow for more factory insights.
Space is about to change in ways you won't believe. New satellites are mapping the planet with insane detail, even tracking climate changes in real time. Private companies are racing to make space travel cheaper and faster. Trips to the moon could be closer than you think. Astronomers are discovering new planets every month. Some might even support life. AI and robotics are helping humans explore the farthest corners of the universe faster than ever before. The universe is expanding, and so are our possibilities. What space discovery excites you the most?